Welcome everybody, it is Bobby Two Pops Breaks on Saturday. It is February the 27th. We are breaking Bomb Box Combo Series. It's a 2-box or 2-envelope break. We randomed up our 22 remaining numbers out of the original 40. 17 and 33 were what we got. We did random teams on the right. Teams customers been randomized, alphabetized. We give you all a chance to trade. No offers though, so here we go. We're gonna start with envelope 17. Wow, well. Bam! Gonna be one of our comic hits, guys, with JSA issue 69. 9.4 grade. Again, it's about a $150 book, guys. That's why that's a single in there. Gonna be our comic spot. Well, that's a Morty hit, man. Morty got a couple hits in the comics here over the last couple. Couple hits in our combos over the last few nights. See what we're gonna get in a box. D3. Bam! Well, that's going to be a Kansas City hit, folks, in the Honey Badger Hydro helmet. That is a full size, guys. That's going to be another one of our single envelopes, folks. We're on a roll with doubles. Now we're hitting a few singles there, everybody. Let me grab those. JSA, grab the Honey Badger. I don't know what the hell he did with this damn chin strap here, man. I have to fix that chin strap afterwards, guys. But bam, there you go. She is like, I'm not sure if it's a shot or what, guys. Doesn't look, yeah, I guess it is a shot. It's a shot LSU Honey Badger JSA sticker and card on that. Fix that damn chin strap there in a minute. Also going to be the JSA 59. It is the first appearance of Earth 2 Huntress. So a key issue, first appearance of the Huntress. 9.4 grade on that. Again, Golf God would be interested in the comic, Morty. I know you're probably not a comic guy. I don't think I've ever seen you in the room, but Golf God would probably be interested in that. And who has our Kansas City hit? Well, that's gonna be a low, man, on the Honey. That is Morty. Alright, folks, that is going to wrap up that 2-boxer. Not a bad break overall, I guess. You got the full size and the JSA. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook. Y'all have a good one. Bobby Two Pops Breaks.